Have you ever dreamt of achieving financial freedom? Of breaking free from the shackles of a 9 to 5? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's possible. Meet Luke, an ordinary individual who turned his £6,000 savings into a remarkable multiple six-figure business. How did he do it? Through the powerful rent-to-rent strategy. 5 years ago, Luke embarked on a journey of discovery, diving deep into the world of rent-to-rent. He learned that this strategy involved renting a property, typically for 3 to 5 years, from an owner or letting agent, furnishing and staging the property, then renting it out for a premium. Armed with the knowledge of rent-to-rent, Luke reached out to property owners and estate agents. He proposed a long-term guaranteed rent while also offering to furnish the property and manage all associated bills under his company's banner, a proposition they found hard to decline. It wasn't long before Luke secured his first property. He got it ready over a weekend and started renting it out to tenants for a higher rent than he was paying the owner. The demand for convenient, affordable, serviced accommodation was high, and the profits started flooding in. Luke's success stemmed from the margin between the rent he collected from tenants and what he paid to the property owner or letting agent. Once operational costs were subtracted, this margin translated into notable profits for his business. Through determination and hard work, Luke scaled his business rapidly, turning one property into multiple properties. The rental income flowed steadily, and his business soared to multiple six-figure earnings. Luke's inspiring journey to financial freedom is a testament to the power of the rent-to-rent strategy. By leveraging this opportunity to generate substantial profits, he was able to break free from the chains of financial constraints. Are you ready to embark on your journey to financial freedom? The rent-to-rent strategy could be your key to unlocking a life of abundance and fulfillment. Discover the power of rent-to-rent today and let it pave the way to your own prosperous future.